Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I feel so honored to introduce myself. My name is Rizma Zaenuba. I am a student of Syarif Hidayatullah Islamic University, Jakarta with major Music Education. This time, I want to share about analytical text with topic the importance of saving Earth. In this modern life, many of us care about the cleanliness of the environment. Of course, with habits such as disposing of waste in its place, using sufficient water, and doing reboisation, and managing factory waste properly are the right ways to do and must be maintained. There are two reasons why we should take care about the earth. Firstly, protecting the environment is very important because the earth is the planet we live in. Earth provides everything we need to support life. Disposing of garbage in its place can make the environment we live in cleaner, so that it is comfortable to live in. As the hadith of Prophet, maintaining cleanliness is a part of faith. Using enough water is one way of investing for us in the future. Because clean water is increasingly difficult to come by, wildlife will continue until the end of time. Secondly, reboisation is more important in preserving nature. In 2016, a tiny asteroid broke through the ozone layer and exploded in Arizona, United States. Why did the asteroid fall to the Earth? That's because the asteroid does not burn out in the atmosphere. By doing reboisation, we can increase the production of oxygen in Earth. It can help protect the ozone layer so as to minimize foreign celestial bodies entering the Earth. Okay, these are two reasons that we can do to protect the Earth so that we feel comfortable, safe, and avoid disaster. Because prevention is better than cure. The reason mentioned above outline the importance of taking care of the earth. And there are many other benefits of saving earth. Okay, that is my opinion. It's so important. If you want to share the same topic with me, please comment below. Thank you for your attention. Like I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.